So apparently it happens that after each Windows update, you can have your audio messed up, such as this, whereby where you get to increase it or decrease it, it still doesn't work. And before you implement the solution we're about to do, make sure you have updated your drivers, disabled and enabled them, troubleshoot for sound. Make sure you've done the basics before you get to this point. Well, and if after you've done it and it still doesn't work, what you have to do next is quite simple. You have to find out what third party, I don't know if to call them third parties, application your system is using for sound. For me, it's this evil twin here. They had hijacked my audio. So to fix it, all you just have to do is go to your control panel, then go to your programs and features. All you just have to do is uninstall this the evil twin, or whoever is your maybe third party sound application that you're using. All you just have to do is uninstall it, and it will it will then ask you to restart your system. And once you do, your audio should be back. uh so tell me in the comment section if this worked for you or not. So bye.